When you set up an opt-in web form, you are basically linking to a form hosted on our system, like your shopping cart. If you would like to embed the form directly into the body of your web page, you will need to set up a custom form. Start by selecting Custom Forms from the Email and Marketing drop-down menu. Then click on Create Form. Under General Design Options, specify how you want to display the form. Form HTML only is the default, and if you are placing this form into the existing HTML code of your web page, you'll want to select this option. If you select Full HTML Page, you'll get the code for a standalone web page, including the custom form. Or select Full HTML and Pop-up Script to display your custom form in a pop-up window from your website. Next, you can specify what standard and custom fields you would like to display on the form, as well as what information is required. A required field must be completed by your prospect in order to submit their information. Typically, important information like name, email address, and phone number are required. If you would like to set up or modify your custom fields, click this link to jump over to the Custom Fields screen. Here you can see a number of custom fields that were set up for our shopping cart. You can add any of these fields to your custom form or create new fields. Just check the fields you want present and press the Save Changes button. Now, if you return to the Create Form screen, you can see your new custom fields available at the bottom. You can use any combination of these fields on your form, but keep in mind gathering a name and email address can often be enough. When you've selected your design options and fields, press the Next Step button. Now you can specify what happens after your custom form has been filled out and submitted online. In the Thank You URL field, enter where you want to redirect a prospect after they have pressed the Submit button. Maybe you'll send them to a thank you screen with follow-up instructions. If you leave this field blank, we automatically redirect them to a system-generated thank you screen. Below that, you can select an autoresponder or newsletter list to subscribe your prospect to. If you choose User Selectable, your prospect will be able to pick and choose from a list of all your active autoresponders. Keep in mind, you can manually remove autoresponders from your custom form afterwards. Finally, you can decide if you want to be emailed the information each time this custom form is completed. This is a good way to see who's filling in your form, but if you have no use for it, just select No. When you're done, press the Create Form button. Select the HTML code from this screen and paste it into the body of your web page. Keep in mind, if you leave this screen without copying the HTML code provided, it will be lost. So, make sure you insert it into your web page immediately or save it to a text file for later.